Hi everyone! As you know, I've been doing diamond dots, which is like the diamond painting. And now I found this paint by number. So it looks like that. And we will see what's inside the box. And it got the instructions or the chart diagram of the picture that we're gonna do. And it has the numbers and all that stuff. This is part of the paint. So that's the paint. Let's see. Okay. This is the paints that they gave us. Different color. Let's sit in the box. And this is where you paint. As you can see, it has like all the numbers on the board. Like that. And they also give you a small paintbrush, which is nice. But if you want like a certain brush, you can also buy brushes, paint brushes, and they tell you the recommended brushes that you need. I bought some brushes, different sizes of brushes. This is from Walmart. It's not that expensive, just don't buy the really expensive one. And I also bought a palette. This one, it comes with 3 where you mix the paint, because you're gonna need to be, because there's like different, it's not only numbers but there's like letters. The letters are like the mixed paints, but it's gonna look like that. Justin picked this picture because he loved the beach. I mean, it looks really good. It looks really nice. So I'm excited to do this. Hopefully it would look the same or better. And I will show you after I finish this painting. It's easy to follow because it has the numbers, the letters, or what paint should you put on that letter or number, because they labeled everything. If you can't paint and if you really want to paint, then this is where to start. You don't even have to draw or anything. You just like paint the lines or the space that they give you here. So yeah, I'm really excited to do this, and I will show you what the outcome is after I'm done with this. made changes, like a little bit. It's not that big or something like that. But here it is. This is what it looks like. So does it look like the same as the picture? Hold on. In the box, like look at the color, like it's so vivid, right? So this is what it looks like right here, the box, and this is what you're gonna get. I mean, it's really nice, right? I love what I've done with this. And I also, oops, I put a border, like the color black over here, but I didn't put like the bottom, so only on the side and on the top, since the top has like the dark colors anyway, so to make it like pop or something. So that's what it looks like. I think it's good, right? Looks good. It wasn't like all my linings aren't like precise or anything. Like, you guys like it. I mean, I really like it. I really like the colors. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.